What if I told you there's a method rooted in ancient numerology and popularized by Nikola Tesla himself, a technique that could completely rewire your beliefs about wealth and success? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use the 369 method for self-empowerment and daily manifestation, so you can break free from the poverty mindset and start attracting the money and abundance you deserve. Nikola Tesla believed that, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe. Why these numbers? 3 represents connection to the universe, creation, and communication. 6 symbolizes flow, harmony, and material success. 9 stands for completion and the highest level of consciousness. When you harness these numbers in your daily manifestation habits, you tap into a field of energy that amplifies your intentions. How the 369 method works. The technique is simple, but powerful. 1. Morning, write your affirmation 3 times. 2. Afternoon, repeat it 6 times. 2. Night, write it 9 times before sleep. This process imprints your intention into your subconscious mind, making your desires feel inevitable rather than optional. Most people underestimate the power of repetition. Here's the neuroscience. Every time you repeat an idea, you strengthen neural pathways. When you combine repetition with emotion, gratitude, excitement, certainty, your brain accepts the new belief as fact. So when you practice the 369 method, you aren't just wishing. You are creating a new identity, someone who expects abundance and success. Daily manifestation habits in action. Let's talk about making this practical. Here's how you can integrate this into your day. Morning, 3 times. As soon as you wake up, write your intention in a journal. Example: money flows to me effortlessly. Afternoon, 6 times. Take a moment during lunch to say your affirmation out loud or silently. Night, 9 times. Before bed, write your intention again, visualizing it as already true. Over time, this becomes your default mindset. Breaking the poverty mindset. Why do so many people stay stuck in a poverty mindset? Because scarcity is familiar. Your nervous system clings to what feels safe, even if it keeps you small. The 369 method interrupts this cycle by creating new neural and emotional associations. Abundance feels safe. Success feels natural. Receiving feels deserved. Money attraction and frequency. Everything is energy. Your thoughts are frequencies. When you consistently focus on your desires through the 369 method, you change your vibration. You become a magnet for wealth, opportunities, and synchronicities. This is why people using this method often report unexpected checks, new clients, or ideas that create income. Tips to supercharge your results. Write affirmations in the present tense. Checkmark. Feel the emotion fully as you write. Checkmark. Keep a dedicated notebook for your practice. Checkmark. Pair the method with visualizations. Imagine your bank account growing or yourself living in your dream home. Checkmark. Never skip a day. Consistency compounds results. Your new wealth identity. Most importantly, understand that this isn't about simply attracting money. It's about becoming a person who naturally creates abundance. That's the hidden power of the 369 method. It transforms your power and mindset, reprograms your beliefs, and aligns your energy with success. If you're ready to step into your potential, start today. Write your first intention. Feel it as truth. Watch your life transform. Call to action. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to the Luxe feed for more transformational teachings about wealth, mindset, and self-empowerment. Comment below, what will your first 369 affirmation be? Remember, you were never meant to be ordinary. You were meant to be abundant.